just about ending. So the important highlights of the con call are: one, pricing growth will be lower in FY25. In the fourth quarter itself, price-led growth was around mid-single digits. That's what analysts are expecting. And instead, the growth will be led by volumes and premiumization in FY25. That's pretty positive in terms of the outlook coming in. But more importantly, the company said that they will focus on a couple of factors. One, margins may not see a bigger improvement from current levels, and that's not something that the street was expecting anyway, largely because, the company's reported a record high margin in the fourth quarter. The margins are closer to 35, 36%, and that's higher than any other FMCG company in the country right now. So the street would like the company to actually scale back a little on margins and go ahead and increase volumes and premiumization. That's exactly what the company's been doing. Apart from that, they will have an increased focus on personal care, the parent portfolio brands that they will bring into India, and Palmolive as well. They have had a slew of new launches in the Palmolive portfolio, and that's a portfolio that's growing twice as fast as the overall industry. So there has been some disappointment right now because the street is looking at no further improvement in margins as a negative. But my sense is that this should be considered positive, given that a lot of people quibble about, FMCG companies making a lot more margin and compromising top-line growth for that. If at 35% you don't see further upside, it's absolutely fine. Just scale back some of those margins, spend it back on advertising and prop up the top line, because that's perhaps the need of the hour.
Okay, all right. Yes, so we'll keep getting you details from the Colgate conference call highlights. As you can see, the stock is under pressure. As Mangalam mentioned, it was because of that margin guidance. But nonetheless, we'll get you more details as we get more details from the conference call itself. But